Spain against India in the 2011 Homeless World Cup. India in blue, Spain in red shirts. India attacks straight away. Shot there from number 11. Scores for India. Ahmed Imran. First blood to India. Can Spain come back here? Martinez fouled by Baija. Free kick to Spanish. Or to the Indians, beg pardon. From Spain. Giron. Tackled heavily by Baksh. Baksh crosses. Intercepted by Martinez. Trying to work his way out of the corner. Martinez loses it. Has to go back and fetch it again. Cross for Giron. And that's high from Ibanez, in fact, number 9. India leading 1-0. Tussling there in the corner, number 5 for India, Badia. Shoots just over. Abhijit Badia for India. Here comes Badia again. Good save by Spanish keeper Carreño. Baksh for India. India pressing very hard. Baija looking for some movement. Another shot there from India. They're having the best of the match at the moment, but Giron can't get his foot to it for Spain. India back to defend very well. Martinez. Giron. Martinez. Oh, lucky bounce there for the Indian goalkeeper. Breaks for India. Ahmed. Ahmed again. Carreño gathers safely. All India at the moment. Shot there. Fine response by Martinez. Spain tie it up 1-1. Martinez, goal scorer, tidies up there again. Very free-flowing game at the moment. Both sides having their chances, attacking and defending in equal measure. Free for Spain. Ibanez. Martinez. The shot's deflected away and India tidy up. Oh, that's one-on-one, but Carreño. Fine save there from Ahmed. Here's Ahmed again for India. Badia on the right. Baksh. 2-1 to India. Baksh with the goal. Baksh puts India back in front. Oh, that's another good save by the Indian keeper. Foul there on Spanish player. 9's Ibanez. Martinez. Tries to get it out from a tangle of feet. That finds Kylie for Ahmed. It's true, he's beaten Carreño. India extend their lead. India 3, Spain 1. India defending strongly and attacking swiftly. And 2 goals up at the moment, but here is Ibanez for Spain. Martinez. Spain well penned in by the Indians at the moment.